Sometimes I thank God for the man I sent in my life. The best thing ever happened to me. Thank you, Father. Thank you.
I see you around here talking to
babes.
the Lord.
Yes, very thank God for sending you in my life.
But of course,
Mm-hmm.
you have to do
I best thing.
best. So I was trying to close
You
shit.
remember they watch what you shit over here last night? You know what I'm going to close my house.
Which is that?
So you're going to have a breakfast, you know?
With a bread, egg, bread, and like cocoa tea.
Okay. Alright. So when we finish, we're going to go breakfast. So then just take out the garbage. What time kitchen? Right. So put it outside garbage up, take it.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
Anything you want.
Alright. Alright, yes.
Yes, like.
Hey. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, sir. Tajahney, there's something to me, girl. You have to go left Angie and find a different man. Because the man they definitely not treat you right. Yes, girl. Yeah, Tajahney, help me cook around there something there. You might not do there something there? I'll lie.
What's that them shoot man gate, you know? Big boss!
What go on there?
If you don't skirt,
Long time I don't see you, man.
knock it so boy, where they going with?
Yeah, man, like a lock in with a woman, man. I nah see you,
You
man.
know his style already, you know, so say man a yard, man. Man a man a yard in a boy, you know see his style.
I say if you go on, man, if you just go and keep up a good job, you know.
What
just
you
go
mean,
on
man,
the
so I go out
thing,
there and work?
There, man, I go and hold him, man. All things are yard, man.
Brother, you know, so me have to just go and keep up things. Because I remember saying, if me not do it, you know, who else I go do it?
Nobody else now, if you have to just do it, have to do it, you know. Just
Correct.
do the right thing, man. Get me, I say.
Correct.
We link up, man. Anytime ready, we just link up.
Like
There,
you up on
man.
a horse still.
Yeah, man, they make some shopping, I get me, have to say.
Go and do dirt then,
Yeah,
my
man,
father.
just go and do the right thing, man.
There, man,
Yeah,
I put
man.
in the work, same way.
Yeah, man, I eat, man.
You know his style, do you think?
Yeah, man.
Bless up, eh?
Yeah, man.
And heal up, mom, see me.
Yeah, man.
You go on like
link
say,
him up, man. Yeah,
you
say.
see you go on like kind of lover boy too.
Yeah, me, man, a girl is singing, you know, say, have to do the right thing, you know.
Chop tuna, man.
There, man.
Out there.
You link up, man.
Yeah, man, do you think?
Big up yourself, man.
Big. You know the code. Skinny that. I cheat.
Like a prisoner, something, joke, father.
So you did, Mr. Like
Joe, there, man. Come on, man.
Chuma no shit, you like go.
Boy, I show you, try to show me up, you know. Try to show me up, man, you know.
Where they going?
Outside. Fat boy, I try to go out with me,
Roger.
father. Yeah, man.
Yo, Roger!
Yo! Hey, boy, they easy up. How they be a look for you, boy? Hide him, man, but them good, man. That is a chang my youth come like a beer, man, them thing that they feed up on, brother.
Every Sunday morning, you
Cha-cha.
know I go in my blender.
Eh,
A problem, earthquake.
eh.
Yeah.
Jaja, you.
I know nothing
Yo,
now, man.
right now.
Where you do that like?
Me?
Yeah.
That will come try for sure. Today. Are you me there calling still no differently, you know?
Yeah, I call him,
thing. Yeah, dog, cause me there show you by phone, dog. So yo, same category, bro. 2 weeks now I travel now, you see me? Yeah, that, but kind of complicated, brother. I don't know. It's like, me I feel her, but me not feel her. You know them kind of way. There. It's like we intimate, brother, but it just.
Yeah. So you feel her, but you not feel her.
It's like me not feel it from the guts, you know. Like me not.
So not communicate properly.
Maybe, I'm not too sure, brother. I'm
not
not
even
used to
sound like
them relationship kind of thing, you know. So
me give you a point, me give you a
yeah,
answer.
really, yeah.
Listen, I see you, the man of the house of the church. The woman going to reflect off of you one type of way, you know.
I really talk,
so
you know.
you have to be the speaker, be the one who control, you understand? No, you say it control her, but guide her, lead the relationship one type of. No, we don't believe in that. Yeah. But because you take it up in hand, man, if you know, so if it starts second down, time for second down, you know.
Yo, I want the roughest road me go for me.
But wait, you don't know a good man yet? Look how much money you pass through, girl, you don't know a good man? You don't know him and a cheater bad or good? No, sir. I never see this in my whole life. Much ear with the part hurt, I never see this girl. Especially when man a cheater good or bad. You're not supposed to make no man do so. But girl, why not take me and Taj as a perfect example? You know see how we live? Yeah, we live good, girl. You can't take me as a perfect example. You're supposed to know when a man a cheat you good. But Munchie, from your born upon this earth, you say you're 21-year-old. You don't know right from wrong? Alright, let me tell you still. No man never licked me yet. But my mother talked to me. She said once the man put your hand on you once, it's gonna happen again. So it's either you leave or you him go counseling or something. But that not gonna work. You're my friend. And him abuse you. Taj never do something to me, girl. Now if he didn't do that, it's either me leave him or me and go counseling. Yeah. You need to find a solution. You cannot get up every day and cry. No. That not gonna work. Alright? Alright, my baby. I love you so much. So I just want to take care of yourself and better your relationship. Alright. Yeah, man, I'll talk to you later. My breakfast, I'm going to look for Tajahney, so. We're in the kitchen. Yeah, man, you can call me later if anything. Alright. I love the girl so much. But I don't know where I'm going to do in my life. I just don't want to go to the point where a man kill him or she kill the man or something like that. God bless them. Like a cookie, man.
Boy, if you tell the truth, you don't want to touch.
Yes, sir.
You know, some would have take if I want one spoon. But you know, me I try work things with moms. Me I try make sure say she good, bro. You see it?
So you want to fill in at every possible
right,
blanks
so
that you can.
For my left road now, me no want to go so boom, no I eat some food. And then when me eat food, now belly full and going.
Right.
Them things, you have to pray them things. So you go like you don't know about woman. You know about woman, brother. You don't know about woman.
Me look for you with my left eye.
You stand there. I saw them tan so.
You smell that?
It's the way me attack, boy. Right now, left me for left, brother, and gone me.
Every time me sit down on my table and me come so.
Boy, one thing with Latina. Tell her. Right now, I tend to what they go to clean. I know Latina be a good food. Him cook
boy, not easy, you know.
I say the seat. I say.
No, me have used me mouth kiss and me can't put my over it. Sometimes it's dirty.
But they are still, you know, link up one of them days of the church, man.
That's true, man. You're skinny.
Real, man. We have to link up, man, you know. One of them days, you know.
Yeah, man, you have to link up, man, and make a real link and have some real chat together.
Yeah, I real talk, man. You know the thing, when we don't link up, and you know, be a phone. You know, me not too like phone.
Know them with them, know them with them. But watch out.
I like your phone business, man.
You have to give your mom some time. I know say this time, I fear her time, because I really want to get it right, man. I copper this.
Kappa.
Real.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, good.
How did I go
Real, man.
Understand?
Yeah, man.
No joke, couple man. Them the other side link up with the bridges of the Jew. We say
Yes,
all
Pete.
forward in a place and you
Yes,
just
man.
see all you. You know how long you see all man like
a chow, man.
You're bridging copper, man.
Real, man. So you have me, I should be looking at son is on, you know.
Yeah, tell you.
You see me, I
Yo,
say?
that you know, say that man do to me.
Said we.
So true. So you link up,
catch,
man,
man.
bro.
See me, I say?
Alright.
Just link on the 6-1 digit, man.
You know his style, man. You know his style. And I'm some food. Hey! Hello! Morning, you know something never see you there? Hey! Hi! Hello! Nice day! Hey! Hi! Hey! Hi! Good morning! Sorry everybody here walk up here so like this, but I didn't see that you were standing right here. I'm sorry to really start you or disturbing you. I didn't see you right here standing and I was right there and I didn't see you. How are you?
Hi, can you see me?
Of course I can see you. What are you talking about? Of course I can see you.
My name is Michelle.
Michelle.
Yes,
Wow. That's a nice name.
thank you.
Michelle, I hope you don't mind me asking, but I would really love to get acquainted with you, you know. You could take my number.
I don't have a phone right now. I can remember.
Okay. 454 8267.
Okay.
Cause I really like you. Like I really like you. You have this thing about you that's so nice, so beautiful. Your aroma is just so sweet.
Okay.
Yeah. Michelle. Well, I don't know if this would keep you warm. At night times, I would really love to give this to you. It has a really nice lavender smell.
Thank you.
You have me smiling like crazy. So where you heading, by the way?
Nowhere far.
Oh, you? I didn't down the road like this side.
Not very far.
On the road. I should get a taxi and gone. So she'll move fast. Wow, she's really nice.
On Psalms 25, unto thee, O Lord, do I lift up my soul. O my Lord, I trust in thee. Let me not be ashamed. Let not mine enemies triumph over me. But this strange. Taj! Taj! Understand. Taj! The earth is the Lord, and the fullness thereof. The word of thee. Taj! you know Jamaican?
Chalati. Say this then.
Lati. Lati, what happened to babes? What happened to baby?
Babes, calm down, man. I'm there.
So you know hear me calling?
I didn't hear me, I didn't hear.
You walk past you so, and I spend you so like someone that exist.
I'm sorry about that, I never hear you call me.
You're strange, I never do this.
I'm sorry about that.
So where you going from?
I'm go to the shop, I go to the shop, get something. Need.
So you know you food to eat?
I really feel nauseous.
You may belly feel nauseous.
Feel nauseous, babe. Like, what I said, it's feeling away.
You eat by the road? So you don't want something or something? So you're not hungry? You're not eating from man, you know?
No, I'm good man, I'm really hurt.
You don't want no tea,
feel
and you're
nauseous.
not hungry and you feel nauseous.
Please stop just yourself, I can't say yourself, I'm telling something alright. Yeah, baby.
I don't like this. No, this is strange.
Listen,
This is not you.
Billy already hurt me, they're just nauseous and feel nauseous.
That means you have to get the tea.
Alright. Look at tea.
Get tea. Hi.
Look at tea.
You're weird. You're acting very weird. Touch. Touch. Here's a key. Yeah. So when I finish, you're gonna wash out the cup and don't leave it in the sink. Come here, go in bed. It was a long day. I'm so exhausted.
Alright, baby.
Alright.
Get ginger tea.
Yeah. Enjoy.
She don't call me yet. She don't call me yet. So she call me, I know we can't see she call me. Yeah, wait for your call. Hello, pick up the phone, pick up the phone. Call my phone. I need to see your call. Come on. Oh, she not come. She don't know my number. She's not giving me my number.
Tasha, come over here. Babes. Taj. So you know how you sleep on the couch.
Yeah, I feel I sleep out this tonight.
But you don't normally sleep out here, so. Oh, what happened? Me and I have an argument.
I don't know like that, babes. I'm just asleep out this tonight. I feel like more straight in my back.
No, this is strange. You always sleep in the room. Or if me in an argument or not.
Babe.
Me and I know nothing.
Yeah, no, nothing, babe. But I just feel I'm not comfortable. I feel comfortable in bed. I just you're going like say I'm sleeping in bed.
Yes.
But I just test out the couch. No.
But you know, it's not to like you ever sleep in a couch.
Sorry about that. Babe, I'm sorry about that. I'm not make that happen again. But I just enjoy the couch.
You make me feel one way.
Oh shit.
Since you walk past me since you went.
Oh God.
Now you're sleeping in a couch.
God, say you do me. Say you do me.
I'm not so weird, you know, but you what do me?
I feel comfortable in the couch. But I'm not doing nothing. Stop pre-song. I can't pre-song. I can't think of it.
Well, maybe I can do it.
Alright, baby.
I'm tired.
Mm-hmm.
Good night.
Right.
Alright.
Don't you see I'm okay? I'm alright and happy and she's happy and she's fine and I'm fine and we're all fine and
Hello, Michelle. Hi. I didn't expect you to call. Yes. And I'm happy you did. How was the blanket that I gave to you? It's warm? Wow. I knew you would like the blanket. Wow. I know. I'm happy that you called. I really feel connected to you, like you let me get chills all over my body. I'm telling you. Ooh, I know. Wow. You like it? The color? And you have a nice name too? Right now I have smiles on my face, Michelle. Okay. Hold on, I have to take my time. Yes. Can you still hear me? Yes. So after, I love you. I really do. Okay. I would like to give you a kiss as well. Because I was looking at your lips and they're really hypnotizing. I'm telling you, Michelle. Yes. Same to you. And I'm really happy that I met you. I hope we can get together sometime. I know. Yes, I gotta take time, remember? Yes. I love you. You hear those kisses? You hear them? Okay. I'll speak to you soon. Okay, baby. I love you.
That. I think this is so good. Touch. Yeah, come like in my dream. Touch. I don't understand this. You live on the floor. You live from the couch to the floor. You live from the bed to the couch to the floor.
That's it. I just did feel comfortable on the floor. As me I tell him to do straighten my back. My back, Lati. To do straighten.
So you couldn't ask me to straighten for you?
I'm tell it.
You see me tell you? You act strange.
Yeah, that works.
You act strange.
Lati. I'm tell.
You better want to me.
Why you behave, son?
How me behave? How you behave?
Come here, man. Stop there. Back is straight up. I'm tell it.
You not sleep in your bed last night. Yes, you want to sleep on the couch. Believe you. But come back this morning, cause still like on the floor. That never used to happen. Me not understand.
So, what that? So you sleep on the floor one time?
But that never used to happen.
But listen.
You change.
I thought about change. Listen. Get me instead. Right now. Talk sense to me. Talk sense. Cause you tell me say, listen, until the last night, I didn't see you did this one. You understand? I come back and say, I did it, I'm sure you said, you did it, I love you, Pam. Sure you said, I love you, so if you I'm tell you. Why you be so now? If you just tell us, leave, me I try to straighten me back in the night. And you come see me on the floor.
But you could tell me, I'm going to give out to massage or something.
Oh God, man. But remember saying, sometimes you can't know your whole ligament pants in your body if you turn and twist and touch and everything. You see me say, the floor now actually touch every little part.
I don't understand what you're talking about. Yes, but I understand what you're saying.
Lati. Yeah, you even confuse me there, man. You know sometimes when you cut me to need that, don't it?
This, right.
Seriously, guys, when I understand what I go on in my life. I walk one in my life. Never asked that for this. I really don't know what I go on a female. Or what kind of crosses I drop in my life. This is not right. This is not the life I sign up to. No, this is not the life I sign up to. Could they walk past again, not even call to me? Can I manage this? Ting. Taj. We need to talk. We need to have a talk.
Talk?
Yeah. We need to have a talk. Serious talk too.
Boy.
Well, go on. Your behavior, everything.
What?
Your behavior.
My behavior? What you talk about?
You come like, you not understand me I said to you.
Yeah.
May I talk on different language?
That's why I really there so I look on your good Latin. What you talk about behavior? What you talk about?
Oh yeah, everything. Overall, everything. So, sit down here. We need to talk. Sit. Sit down.
You want me to sit down there, sir?
Yes.
No. Don't even breathe. Out of your mouth. You want me to sit down there and sit here, sir? That means you soon tell me to sit down there, sir. And hold on my head, sir. And turn it, sir. And turn it, sir. And it up, sir. You soon walk around with a book and your pamphlet. And walk around and say, Taj, take up a plate. Take up a cup. Sweep your house. Mop the floor. You want me to sit down, yes, sir? Yes, you want me to sit down? You want me to lay down, yes, sir? You want me to raise from the dead like so, like zombie and look on you, sir? One to you. What really wrong with you?
What wrong with
Dear
you?
father, she want me to talk to you, sir.
You're not getting it. You will never get it.
You good, Lottie?
You good, Taj? Are you okay?
No, for real, may I ask you if you're good? You alright?
You good? Clearly your head now work. Are your mind like is one what are gone in one different world?
Something really wrong. What me do if I do in a life, yeah? Father God, talk, help her. Me don't know what me doing. Why you behave like this? Eh? Why you must come out of your mouth? Me don't understand why you go and say, Father. Eh? What happened? What happened? Did I do something wrong? Huh?
Clearly you not understand what you did last night. And this morning.
Wait, and last night I had pan?
Yes.
Me not understand. Me not understand. I know me not understand at all. What you had pan last night? Eh? I'm coming here, so. Me explain. What? Lati, please help me, man. Please help me. Let me find out.
I am going to
man.
help you. Yes, I am going to help you.
Lati, you don't understand.
Clearly we need
Something wrong with the Lati, man. No, man. Lati, yeah.
See it? You will never get it. May I call Pastor? Clearly we need some counsel in our life because this is not going to work out. So, may I go to my phone and call Pastor? Hello. Yes, Pastor Brown. I want to talk to you about a little situation that I've been having. Yes. It's me and Taj. Certain things now work out right in a relationship, and I would like a counseling session. Yes, with both of us. When will you be available? In the evening. Okay.
Why you on the phone?
Alright, thank you very much.
Hello, why you on the phone?
Like seriously?
Why you on the phone? Who that?
Oh, they say never used to do this. We can't talk on the phone
For name me
again?
just see, a people you bring in a relationship. A pastor name me just see on the phone. No?
Yes, we need counseling because we're not
What do you mean we need counseling? No sir, this is a girl I bring a third party people in a relationship. What kind of third party I bring in a relationship? My relationship don't need no third party. What kind of third party people I bring in a relationship like a relationship need third
Taj,
party?
you're not acting right. Taj, we need counseling. Don't you see something is wrong in the relationship?
Okay. Alright. I see that you're the man of the house. Watch it. Watch it. Get up. Come here. Get up. No, get up. For real, man, get up. Lady. Lati. Yana. Okay. So, me, I tell you now, say get up. And you don't want to do what me say fi do. But when you tell me say fi do something, me fi obey you. And now you are disobey me. What this?
Disobeying you? You're not my father.
Of course.
You're my lover. You're not my father.
Me not tell you say me your father.
But you're acting like you're my father.
You are taxi. You are taxi. So when me tell me say me can't tell you if you do nothing and you do it.
I never tell you that. You can. But it's the way you say it or acting.
Do this. No, sir. Nah. I feel your house. I am in your house now. You Billy Black and put down go house, yeah. If you raise up yourself and go answer for me. Why you behave so? You know what? See, you don't understand me. Left me house. Come out here, me no want you in here. Because you not behave right. You know, me don't know how people can. Oh no, the dance so. Woman dance so.
So why you behave so now?
Why me behave so? Why me behave so?
You're acting like a monster.
Me no want you. I left my place and I left yet. He left my place no. That boy left my place, go on. Left. I don't know what kind of style I meant to blow and skirt. You come and hat up my head. Hat up my head. Shit. Blows and skirt. Years in my life. Where this come from? Understand me now. Latin, wait, you mean Latin like come clear to me or talk to me straight. It's like she jumbled. Not tell me say she abused her from last night. Like me not tell her say me didn't see her hands. Let me for one day, Why? Every time it's the same thing, Man go through something, I really wonder. be a story, Virgin then come out and tell me every time about woman in them. And I don't say I'm so serious and psycho pant. They really go. And girl, why woman stay so sometimes they just chill and just try to understand them man more man. And looking at their face and try to understand them as I tell her straight, I tell her straight. It's like she made that lean. Really confusing to me sometimes. Really confusing.
I beg you forgive me the health and strength. If we go through this, I know I can't carry this up already. It hurt me. Oh God.
Pray for the riches, pray for the wealth, but Jah help those who help themselves. Yeah. All when I mind never pray that the things. Work and work till me feature the rims with the house with the pool, with the fee with the rims. Yeah. Pray for the riches, pray for the wealth. One touch, hey boy, I live long so we show you know. No joke for man. So for cho, where they go almighty.
We have one news to tell you, boy. Yeah, news to tell you. We have a new girlfriend,
yo, you
boy.
look happy still, you know. No jokes up for cho, man. Yeah, man. You look happy, man. What kind of news?
Yo.
When I get married.
What's that?
Yeah, that day I get married.
Where you talk about? What's that? We have a new girlfriend, boy. She named Michelle. Michelle.
Where you talk about?
You know, don't compare. Book her right, don't compare right out of Frodo and bar. You see, woman, may I look taxi in that?
Yo, I'm not damn fool there. You can't fool me.
Where you talk about? What's that?
You can't fool me, bro, G. Where you talk about?
Easy no, man. Listen to me, I say no.
A prank, where you married? A prank you try, bro. Where you married?
I'm
A
telling
prank,
you,
you type of prank in there, bro, G. A prank you try,
So me say that.
You can't catch me, brother.
Book her, brother, me say you a girl about
Yo,
nice.
you forgot to say I'm over me though. Me know about pranking and hiding camera and then sitting there, bro.
Yo, me nah prank you, brother, it's a real thing.
Where camera?
Me nah no camera.
Say they go out.
I tell you, say, I have a new girlfriend.
Bro, that shit that now, bro. You can't catch me. I tell you, say you can't catch me, bro. That shit that, bro.
We are talking about catching. You may say no, you have a
Stop
new
the foolishness, man.
girlfriend.
You can't catch me,
Michelle.
dog.
Skinny, watch out now. You see, in time I see
I
her,
see your thing I thought out.
she captured me, dog. When that time I look on her, so if you me, I say, Michelle, she a look different. Like when I look on her, she have a way how she does soothe my soul, brother. Like, I look in her eye, them, and I say, hey, yo, I say, sometimes I see this girl just have me and your boy. This a girl, it's a different type
Yo.
of girl.
Yo, Taj, watch out now.
Yo,
Yo, snap out tight now, bro. Yo, you alright?
I mean, if me alright, you alright?
Taj, sitting right, no, sitting no. You don't look right, brother. Remember good, say me see a few days ago, and if I really you're serious, bro. If you're really serious, something alright. Cause it time me see you over there, bro, you look different, you see me? And you look like something there. You're born with. Make sure say no weed or trouble in a dog. Big man thing, yo, come in, dog.
What you mean me look for you?
Come in and dog, we have a drink.
Something wrong with you. Something really wrong with you, no? Cause guess what? I tell you something, get a new girl and you tell me something, I no new girl.
What you mean something wrong with me, brother? A few days ago, me see you, brother, and you talk about latte, bro. Remember all the food, bro. Something wrong with you, bro.
I'm telling you about that. I'm telling you, brother. You know the things.
Yo, hold on, I'm gonna call man, brother. Cause I need somebody second.
I'm telling you, they don't say man shouldn't be me can't tell you nothing.
No man touch. Bro, you sure you're not bun the weed, dog?
We ask.
You don't look right, brother.
You tell me something no look right? Me well perfect, and you no look right. What am to you?
Something really wrong with you, dog.
What's something wrong with you? Can me come here and tell you one information and you come and tell me something wrong with me? What's wrong with me? No normal sitting this.
Bell!
Where you call you
Watch you now. What me I say, Zane?
Yeah.
What me I say, if a joke you make me know, dog. You see me? If you're serious, brother, something really wrong with you, dog. Big man.
If me serious,
if I
wrong
prank
with
me, no wrong still enough.
What's wrong with me if me serious? Come tell us me have a next woman. Eh?
Dog.
You know, so me shouldn't come tell her nothing, no? Me shouldn't come tell her nothing. Nothing me shouldn't come tell her.
You come here, you have a one drink, dog. Come here.
Leg off for me, youth. Go have a drink. Can me tell us when me sober, I went time me drink, you want to hear nothing from me? But I'm telling you, where I did me like some me I eat that? Me don't look for you.
Come in, dog. Come in.
Bad man, leg off for me, no youth.
Touch, come in, dog.
Leg off from youth. Lucky say your teeth dump out. You skull me do and crack.
Something wrong with that, man. Really thump up my teeth, dog. I joke this one.
Bro, I swear I don't know what happened. I don't know what went wrong. Me try to come to realization. I know I can't see what happened.
So sister really want to tell me say then all of a sudden you and Taj are going and you really want to tell me say just start act weird so just so.
It just happened so fast. I don't even know what happened. It just happened just like in a clip.
I know say when I tell a friend for a very long time, which is I tell him not talk from now, I talk about a long time and I'm my sister and I give him the weed. I know sister the truth. I know me myself right so yeah so I don't understand what's going on right now.
I know you're not going to understand because it never happened before. It just happened so fast, you run me out. So we're back here. So, I just want to leave. Okay, this is not right.
God knows, sis, I never see this coming.
It was so embarrassing. If I did someone in a public, probably would have dropped down. But in a house with this, so I just me and him alone.
Well, sis, I'm not going because I want to see myself. I wait upon him until he come back from wherever he's gone. Because I really not understand what really I'm going to say right now.
Yeah, I know what you see. We wait till he come. I really want to see how he behave.
You know.
Yeah, we go wait.
This.
But I just really want to leave before he come back. But since you want to hear or see, let's wait. Bro, It's like he's possessed. I never seen him at the region before. He come like a monster. You will see. But I never want to go back through it again. I just want to take up my things and leave.
You still can't understand, sister, I tell you, I swear.
I hope you understand. I hope you see it. I understand when you come. Yeah. But my heart will believe, because it never happened before. It happened so fast. Not even myself can understand. Oh Lord.
What you know, guy?
Taj.
Yo.
Hold on, bro.
What?
I still want to talk to you, though.
What? Sleep, you know, what?
Bro. I'm meeting your sister.
I'm to between me and your sister. Between me and your sister. Hear me and say, brother. You see your sister don't understand nothing what come out of my mouth, you know. And see, if me ever try to explain certain things to your sister and your sister not even listen to the words them where I farm out of my mouth and try to at least understand when me I try to say to her out of my brain, when me I come from so far from when me know some knowledge really deep, brother. Just understand, say, if people not where they run me, if they watch me head back and know say she got my back so if you now understand certain things.
But Taj, bro.
Yo, that's not standing me and say that. You see if your sister not comprehend, me not go comprehend. Yeah, tell her.
Taj. Far away I come from. You know? Which is a different way. Yeah, my sister, brother. Long time, brother. Yeah. My sister push through stuff, through, you see me? And which is, brother, I still can't get full understanding, bro.
Youth. I mean, if you tell me say just there, so right now, I listen to me out there, ease them. I mean, if you tell me say just tell her everything out of my mouth here. I mean, if you tell me say I understand not even one word come out of my mouth, brother. One thing, brother, you know, use your head, brother. I just tell her say sister now listen to her. Nothing what me I say, and she not understand nothing what me I say. She not comprehend, she not listen, she not understand. She not even take the time out to know what me I try to tell. Listen to what me I say, brother. You know, understand? I don't want to sleep, brother. All of this I get on my nerves right now, dog. You understand? Everything I get on my nerves right now, dog. Real mental, dog. You see me, brother? Boss, you know me, brother. You know I'm style, brother. One thing, brother, man, I don't play thing, brother. One thing, man. You know my style, say nothing I come my way, brother. I understand I come my way, brother. I hit. You know, see, pray. Brother, one thing, man, brother, I have to lift up out of this, brother, right now. Lift up out of this, brother, right now.
Brother?
Yo. And I lift up, brother.
I'm going to leave.
Yo. Come back around us and I'm seeing God, you know.
No, you're not going to see when I come back.
Right now, me I tell you, man.
You're not going to see when I come back. I will be gone. We have so much stuff on this, so maybe just pick them up.
Sis, you said something really wrong with Taj.
Right, it's what I'm talking about?
Something really wrong with him. That only Taj.
But you know.
See, someone talk about the young and say, where is that
No,
thing
just, anyone else, no, just.
Come on, yeah, sis.
Oh, make sure someone left my place car now. So I get my nerves. I'm full. Just a minute. Be a cross is a problem.
I'm building a man life one type of way. Understand one type of way, man. Literally one type of way, man. Understand. Michelle, I'm here. In the corner, as you said. My love. Yes, and I build a totem. How did you know? Yes, honey. They left. Yes. They left a while ago. For real? I can come over? Okay. Okay, my love. Lovely. Wow. It's so beautiful in here.
Okay, you don't have to sit over there. Come and sit beside me.
Oh, I can sit beside you? Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
I didn't know I was gonna read so far, so quickly.
Okay, you don't have no choice.
I have no choice.
You have no choice. Don't you want to be here?
Yes, I want to be here with you.
Okay.
I don't know what to do. I don't know. I feel like I'm going fast. Am I going too fast?
You're okay.
I'm okay.
Yes. Taj, a group of men came in my house. They raped and killed my sister. Then took my mother and they found the body at the Big Ridge River.
Oh no, Michelle. I'm so sorry to hear about your sister and your mother. Oh no. It must be so much you went through that time. But I'm here for you, okay?
It's okay. It's just me and my father live, but I cannot meet him tonight. It's time for you to go now, okay?
I have to leave now?
Yes, that you have to go.
Okay, okay.
You would meet my father.
I would love that. I would love that, Michelle.
But not tonight.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Taj, walk out the front door.
Okay, Michelle.
Okay.
Right, sir.
Yes, sir. What do you mean?
You know, sir, you need to wait until you talk to.
Me, I wait from far. Where do you mean, sir?
No need for that, no need for that. No need for that, sir.
So, what do you want, sir? Where do you mean, sir?
No, Mr. Brown, it's a daughter Michelle.
What do you mean, sir?
Easy, Mr. Brown. Easy, Mr.
What do you mean, sir?
Mr. Brown, it's a daughter Michelle invite me over now.
For me daughter.
Yeah, Michelle.
For me daughter. My daughter dead 20 years already, Parry. Tell for my daughter.
Your daughter did 20 a year?
Yeah.
So who? So bro, you have that mistaken, man. So who was the lady that I was talking to all this time?
In dead long time, par.
Dead?
Yeah.
What
Yes,
do you
man.
mean dead?
You know dead.
Mr. Brown, if you say your daughter dead.
20 a year, my daughter dead.
No, Mr. Brown. No, Mr. Brown. You can't say your daughter dead and we just had a drink and talk and all this.
Man, young man, you cracker or something. For my daughter.
Yes, Mr. Brown.
No, man, for my daughter dead long time, man.
But wait. And she was telling me about what happened with your other daughter that they raped in the house.
My other daughter.
And your wife body that's at Big Ridge River. She told me all of that. So wait, how come who that just tell me all of that then? Who me just talk to?
But my wife did a long time too. So no you talk about. But my wife did dead. We did find the body.
But me and Michelle just had a long talk about what happened to your wife.
No, so my wife did a long time. Let me call my brother and hear what I go on.
Big Ridge River, she tell me.
Paul, a young man at the gate. Since Michelle, I know Patty wife body Barry. Yes man, in the right front of me right now. So impossible you hear something. If Michelle couldn't tell him that, he couldn't know so much. Yeah man, come check me right now man. Just see where I go on. Be careful and come. Alright.
Yeah, Mr. Brown, I just why not even know if you take all the news you just tell me. Because right now I'm shocking. Mr. Brown.
Yeah man.
Weeks me and Michelle are talking still.
Let me tell you say that. My wife. Young man is sure what you're talking about. I cannot believe it. What you're talking about, man. Cannot believe it at all. Can't believe what you're talking about. You know what you're talking about, sir?
What?
Young man, you're certain what you're talking about?
What you talking about? How many days?
You must know what you're doing about here to too.
Oh my
goodness.
How many days, sir? I'm good. How are you going?
For you're so young, man, something must wrong with you. My
sir.
Goodness.
Whew. Night, sir.
You have to go away too. I don't know what you're talking about. God go with you, young man. My goodness, that young man saying here about my wife and my daughter. Look how long my wife dead and my daughter dead. I didn't find the body. And this young man telling me it's foolish at my age. My goodness. Whew. I want to go to sleep tonight. I don't know how to go to sleep tonight. This man will rake up back my head again. Head is alright, he make it gone mother ready. Why some people just go with the mischief night and day. I wonder if that young man knows what he's talking about though. Whew.
That's it. Good night.
Good night.
Night.
Good night.
That's it. I don't know how I can explain everything I'm doing here. I'm sorry, can I do it?
You don't have to explain. I saw it in the newspaper.
You see it in the newspaper that?
Yes, I saw it in the newspaper.
But I know I feel like a fool.
I was trying my best to explain and to get counseling, but nobody understands. Because you're possessed, so I understand.
I don't know how I can even make it up there. Even your brother, Bamas, you have to go call him and I can get a talk with him and show him. So he know about you, we're going to?
They never get to explain to me my yes. so I will take the time out to explain to you.
So it's alright.
Come on.
So you know about the
I'm gonna try my best. Sit down. I'm gonna try my best. Make everything right, but anybody get it because your possess but it conquer your mind, so.
Changed up in all of it.
A long time I own up, so yeah.
Babes, I can't believe it. I'm glad you know say I did double and this in the door. Because I couldn't control myself and I say I did a behave towards it.
I know.
Right now, I'm glad you just come back to me.
Come
Like,
on, you have to try to work with everything.
I'm glad you know say I don't take me over and say. It's a murder case we even solving. It's like I'm glad we finally the woman body.
I'm glad. I'm happy as well. If that never happened, you wouldn't get the phone call. So you understand.
It's like she tell me make we find it, like you don't talk to me to the father.
Yes, I know. I understand. I read everything that in this paper. Everything but it.
Everything?
So many. Okay.
I'm glad to know so you just understand. Can you get to him?
I'm not comfortable.
Cheeky though. Really just understand it. I feel weird when I deal with them. I never like them style. I not even remember. It just like glimpse of something just come to me and you know, so it just feel wrong.
Right.
You never ever want to happen to me again.
I'm glad the company realization and we're back together. So me talk to Baman and explain everything. So all over again. Alright?
We all love gifts, and only a few of us harness them in everyday life for others to benefit. I'm Kevin. Some call me Skinny, Water Bombshell, Sophie Cho. You know, I want to say thanks to everyone that's been supporting us, you know, watching the movie, liking, share, comment, you know, whether good comment or bad comment. We still appreciate you guys because as long as you are part of this project or what project we did before, you know, whether to like it or to share it or to dislike it, it still encourages us, it still motivates us. So it's not a big deal because we love doing movies, you know. Movies, a thing that we do every day, you know, it's a love, it's a passion, you know. So I want to thank everyone that has been supporting us. And I didn't want to say it is challenging or it is difficult, you know, because it's something that we love doing. So it's hard to say it's challenging or it's difficult, that it's rough or anything like that. Everything has its own little challenge, you know, disadvantage and advantages, right? So it would look, you know, a bit bad or not so good to say it's difficult or challenging, but let's not say it's difficult or challenging. Let's say we want to become we want to do more better in what we're doing, you know, by asking you guys for the opportunity of support, continuing to support us, you know, help us to grow bigger and better, you know. So coming this summer, I want to talk about the project that we're doing this summer. So we start a GoFundMe to ask you guys for your support to help us to make this project possible in the summer. We haven't decided what month as yet, but we're trying to raise enough funds to allow us to able to execute that project so we can pay people and get material we need and stuff like that. We're also learning new softwares, trying to improve on our sound quality, visual quality, acting skills as well, you know, and we're asking you guys for the opportunity to help us to raise this fund to make this project possible. We did Valentine's, we did a movie Love and Time on Valentine's Day. It was it was a good project for us because we spend more time that way, normally, more than what we normally do in the past movies, right? So we like to do really much better than the last one, than Love and Time. So for summer, guys, help us. It's a biblical movie. It's actually a biblical movie where it's about the gospel, birth of Christ. So let's see how that goes for a Jamaica film. So we asking you guys to please support us. Go to our GoFundMe. Any means and way you guys can support us financially, or if you have anything else, like maybe I don't know, but anything that you guys can give, with props. If you guys have clothes and shoes and stuff like that, like we can use for props, any books or anything. If you guys have a lot of books you want to give away, we'd appreciate it, same, because we can use them in movies, same, we can write a script. I'm really good at making up stories, right? So as you guys see, most of the movies that have been put out, it's actually from here. No paper, I don't use pen and paper, everything is actually from here, because I actually watch the movie in my head before I can even film it, so whatever props you guys have to give, we really appreciate it financially, any means of way of helping us to get better, liking our video, sharing our video, watch it, spend time watching the videos, commenting, tell us what you think, what you dislike and what you like, it really helps us to get better. So for summer, guys, we're gonna put some extra work in summer. But we need your help, we need your support, we need your understanding of what we're doing here. It's not just fun, it's fun, but it's actually a part of our financial aid, go-to, right? It's our financial go-to. That's where we go to get our money. And it's been, like I said, I didn't want to say it's struggling, but most of the time, we had to spend money from our own pockets to get stuff done that we're not getting back, But it's the love. When you love something, you spend time and, you work with it, especially when it makes you happy, So I really would love to see this project come to life in summer, and me and my team, working on sound and working on acting skills. Taj, good actor. And then you have Bammaz. Bammaz is a sound engineer guy learning the sound quick and fast. He's trying to, develop the quality of the sound, whether sound effects or the recording. Bammaz, that's Bammaz, sound engineer. And then you have the actor now, one Taj. One Taj, the actor, is a good one. So guys, we would love to put in more effort and more creativity, more time into the movies. We had to rush doing so much movie in 1 month when it's not supposed to be like that, because movie take time, because it take time to do about the scene till they get it right. Different angles are the dialogue that the actors have to say and stuff like that. So it really take time. So for me to produce 5 movies for the month, it's really difficult. In which I didn't want to say difficult, but it's difficult because you have to rush to make a dollar so you can survive for the next month. So guys, help us to only produce 1 movie per month. That means you get good quality movie, sound, acting skills, the concept of the movie, the script. Awesome, guys. So we're asking you for the opportunity to support us, keep supporting us, send us a lot of prayer and love, pray God bless us also, and we'd love to always continue doing movies for you guys. We all have gifts, and only a few of us harness them in everyday life for others to benefit. Skinny, what a bombshell. So for sure, love you all. Enough respect and thanks again in advance.